Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make 2-buns hairstyle. First, ensure your hair is clean, dry, and completely detangled. This makes the styling process much smoother and helps prevent knots. Next, create a neat center part from your forehead all the way down to the nape of your neck. Finally, gather your essential tools: 2 hair ties, several bobby pins, and a comb or brush. Now, let's form the first ponytail. Take one of the 2 sections of hair and gather it into a high ponytail. The placement of this ponytail will determine where your bun sits, so choose a spot that feels comfortable and looks good. Use a hair tie to secure it firmly, making sure there are no loose strands or bumps around the base. A smooth foundation is key for a neat bun. With your ponytail in place, it's time to create the bun itself. Take the entire ponytail and twist it tightly, forming a rope-like section of hair. Then, carefully coil this twisted hair around the base of the ponytail, creating a circular bun shape. Once you're happy with the shape, use 4 to 6 bobby pins to secure the bun firmly against your head, tucking in any loose ends. To complete your look, simply repeat the exact same steps for the second section of hair on the other side of your head. Aim for symmetry, ensuring both buns are roughly the same size and positioned at a similar height. Once both buns are secured, you can gently tug on them to loosen them slightly for a softer, more voluminous, or even a slightly messy aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.